Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to use image button in Android. Image button and simple buttons, there are some differences. That's why image buttons used in Android. The first difference is this: image button is extend from image view, and simple button is extend from text view. And for where you need to write some label on our button, then you use simple button, and if you require some imaging capabilities, then you go with the image button. So in this application we are going to make this application. When you click on any image button, the another is gone from this screen, and when you click reset, the gone button is visible again. Let's check the functionality. Reset, it's visible now. Okay, now click over, it's okay. So let's make this application. First of all, we require two images for this, which is here, available here. Okay, and copy these images into a resource folder. Drawable, paste this. Okay. Override for all, because I think it's already available in my project. Now design our layout. First of all, remove this one, this default text view. Add two image button. So buttons, image button 1, and apply this, and add one more image button here, and add this image for second image button. Now set the constraint of this two image buttons. First for upper one, okay, and set the top constraint as well. Reduce some top margin, and here set the height and width of this image button 200 dp, and here also 200 dp. So now set the constraint of this button as well. Change this margin. Okay, now add the reset button here. Button, set the constraint of reset button horizontally constraint, top constraint, and change this button label to reset. So for that we need to add a resource, string resource, name reset, and reset label is reset, and apply this on button. Now do programming and apply on click listener on our buttons, 2 image buttons and 1 simple button. Image, let's check the ID. Image button 2, button 2, image button dot set on click listener, and here image button 2 dot set on click listener, and here button 2 dot set on click listener. Now change the visibility when we click on this first button. Image button 2 dot visibility is equal to view dot gone, and copy this, and paste here. Change image button and when you click on reset, if button is not visible, then it will be visible again. Okay, visible. If 2 is not visible, then it also visible again. So let's run our program to see the output. This will take some time. Meanwhile, I will show you what's the difference between image button and this button. As you can see, for simple button, this test property is available. For this image button, test property is not available. Let's go to T tag is there, no test properties there. Okay, so this is a difference. And another thing which I told you, your simple button is extend from test view, and this our image button is extend from image view. So let's check. You can check it's extend from image view. Okay, and your simple button is extend from let's check here. We have got some problem in our code. Let's fix this. You can check this is a extend from test view. Okay, so let's fix the problem. It's a reset is available 2 times, so remove this and run our program again. So you observe this thing, and what's the difference between image button and simple button, and what are the parent classes of these 2 different buttons. Now our application is launched. Let's check the output. Yes, so click here, it is gone. Reset, it is visible. Reset, our button is gone. Reset. So we have done with this application. Thank you, thanks for your time. Please subscribe, like and share the videos. Thank you very much.